So good afternoon, my dear students. Today topic is very important topic. Examination point of view, essay type question. Data transmission media. మనకి 5th యూనిట్ లో వచ్చేటువంటి రెండు క్వశ్చన్లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే రిపీట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే డేటా ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ మీడియా అంటాడు. సో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ మీడియా ఆర్ explain about data transmission media. So in this, first of all, we should know what is a media. So media is called one kind of language to provide a network between the two parties. Transmission means transmit from one location to another location through one media is one kind of technology. Now you can imagine here, media is called one kind of language, one kind of software, one kind of technology. So we need one technology to transmit the data from one location to another location. It carries one beautiful diagram is there, carries 4 marks out of 10 marks. So when you carefully draw this diagram means automatically 8 marks out of 10 marks is possible. So be careful about this diagram, put a maximum focus on this topic, may be helping 10 marks for S-type question, 5 marks for short-type question. Be careful about this topic. And you can repeat and repeat and repeat for your realization. మీకు అర్థమైనంత వరకు రిపీట్ చేయండి. అర్థమైన తర్వాత మీరు నోట్స్ రాయండి, ఒకసారి నోట్స్ రాయండి, కన్సర్న్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ డ్రా చేయండి. May be helping in the examination point of view. Now I am simply start my topic here. Just I told we need a technology to transmit the data from one location to another location. How it is possible? Then I'm going to hear simple definition. Simple definition. There is no difficult words and unknown words, everything simple words are there. Transmission media is a process to transfer the data from one location to another location through signals. Through signals. By using signals, we have to interchange from one location to another location. It is called transmission media. Then these signals will be transmitted in the form of electromagnetic energy from one device to another. It's clear, no? So once you imagine here, sometimes you realize, so my signals is not promptly proper, for example. So nothing but, so within area, the electromagnetic energy is not possible or not available. That time, the signals will be down, automatically fall down. That time your mobile will be facing some kind of problem, is not properly hearing your words, the second person, and is not possible to hear the clarity, within clarity, everything is possible. But anyway, so the transmission media will be provide the network from one computer to other computer through signals, but these signals will be built by the one energy is called electromagnetic energy is there. Then one diagram, just I told, diagram carries 4 marks. Be careful about this diagram. Yes. Basically, the communication media or transmission media will be classified into mainly 2 categories, like a wired media, wireless media. Wired communication, wireless communication. Wired technology, wireless technology. I'm writing here, but same time the wired media will be divided into 3 parts. Is called twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber. At the same time, the wireless media will be divided into 2 categories, like radio waves and microwaves. Why? Because it is a purely depend on signals, no? It is a purely depend on wired communication through cable. It is a wireless communication without cable. It's clear now. But looking very simple diagram, but carries 4 marks. 4 marks వస్తాయండి, జాగ్రత్తగా డ్రా చేయండి. concerned diagrams kudanu very useful for this. Out of 10 marks ki own diagrams ke 4 marks ఇచ్చారంటే మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. Very important diagram. Please be maintained with scaling of this diagram, looking very nice, maybe helping to get good marks. Still, next. Just I told, and I diagram categorize చేశారండి ఇక్కడ. Just I told, every transmission media will be, transmission media was classified in 2 categories: wide media, wireless media, and wide media will be classified into 3 categories: twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber. Then same wirelesses will be classified into 2 categories, like radio waves and microwaves are there. Now, wide media, twisted pair. When carefully observe this diagram, looking here, all of you, when carefully observe this diagram, two wides, that these 2 wides is called as pairs, twisted pair. So these 2 having the one kind of capabilities, these 2 having the one kind of capabilities, and these 2 having the one kind of capabilities, and these 2 also having the one type of capabilities. All wides are not equal, but these 4 pairs of the wides will be helping to provide the networking to the computer, to the laptop, to another components sequentially. But this kind of structure is called as twisted pair. Pair means 2. Combination of 2 is called pair. I'm writing is there. It is the most popular network cable, is lightweight, nothing but weightless, easy to install, inexpensive, and supports different type of networks. By using this cable, we have to provide various networks between the 2 computers, among the computers, but is looking very weightless, very easy to install to the system, and inexpensive, low cost. And come to here, this cable was made by solid or standard coppers twisted along with each other. So include these wires, we have solid or standard copper twisted. So in this having the copper twisted one, where is there? Through this copper wire, we have to provide the network to the system is there. And goes next to this coaxial cable. So twisted pair is not equal to coaxial cable. So when carefully observe this diagram, what is called, one copper wire will be built by the one white coated wire is there. This white coated will be called by the thick brown coated wire is there. And the 3 lines or 3 wires will be captured by one big coated black wire is there. But this wire is called as coaxial cable. I am writing is there. It is similar to twisted pair cable, easy to install, inexpensive, lightweight, with made by copper metallic, white coated plastic black wire, white coated metallic black wire is there. So this is the one kind of wire or cable to provide the network to the system is there. So basically, when carefully observe your TVs, televisions in your homes, the star cable having this kind of capabilities are there. When you include this cable to the TV, automatically you have to provide the multi-channels at a time is there. Is clear, no? So these are part of coaxial cable is there. It is also providing the network to the computer or laptop, and other components are there. And next goes to here, optical fibers. So optical fibers, when carefully observe here, like this, like a hair, like a human hair, like this small thin, and I'm writing is there. The inner cables are thicker than that of looking like human hair, like a human hair. This cable mostly used in fiber communication. So this is also called as very flexible wire is there, easy installed, made by a chemical component is called silicon. Why it is silicon means when you open this wire, automatically in the dark time, in the night time, the wire will be, and this wire will be like a shining, look like a shining process is there. So silicon having the very brightness and very heating process around this entire chemical components in the chemistry. I don't have any most knowledge about the chemistry, but anyway, so this is called as optical fiber. But by using this optical fiber, coaxial cable, and twisted pair cable, we have to simply provide the network to the system or desktop. So these are part of wired media, coaxial cable, optical fiber, and twisted pair, or belongs to wired media. Then go to next one is there, wireless media. Radio waves. When looking carefully here, this is called one kind of what is called like a symbol of signals here, and there is a what is the exchange. In the place of exchange, you have one kind of small, strong, and big pole is there. It's clear now. From that, you can reproduce the signals around the side, around some area, like some range, 50 meters, 100 meters, 500 meters, everything is there now. Anyway, by using this exchange, we have some kind of waves to provide networking. This is called signals, wireless communication. So these are a type of electromagnetic radiation system. These waves are very fast than speed of light. The speed of the waves having the most speed than speed of light is there, and very useful for mobile communication, broadcasting, and radar system and satellite. So radio waves are very important nowadays. Why? Because there is no mobile, we can't. There is no mobile with internet, we can't expect in the life today's. It's clear now. Then, yeah, the symbol of radio waves are there now. And next is microwaves. So microwaves not equal to radio waves. Microwaves are different. These waves are used for telecommunication and transmit the data from sender to receiver through signals. Just I told, these call one kind of exchange. We have to simply transmit the particular waves from up to down, down to up to down, down to up, like a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. This kind of communication is there. But anyway, these waves are very useful for telecommunication is there, and these waves are useful for mobile communication is there. Radio waves for mobile communication and microwaves for telecommunication. So this is a small information about transmission media. So left side having the 3 categories, right side having the 2 categories, with the diagram carries 10 marks. I hope all of you got a wonderful information from this class. I think it's clear, no? Then at the same time, you put a maximum focus on the diagrams, no? Diagrams with the scaling also helping to some benefit in the examination point of view. 2 factors, ma. All are should maintain the neat handwriting with neatness. With scaling the diagrams automatically enough, you will be able to get wonderful marks in the examination point of view. Thank you. Thank you very much.